Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Jackery Explorer 1000 Portable Power Station. So this is a solar generator for home backup, emergency, outdoor camping, and more. Now, when we look at the comparison of a solar generator to the traditional generator, the solar generator is eco-friendly. The solar power has zero emissions versus the air pollution of a traditional generator. Economically speaking, there is no cost with solar energy, but with the traditional generator, there's ongoing costs with gas or oil. The solar generator is quiet compared to the noisy traditional generator. It's lightweight and portable for indoor and outdoor use versus the traditional generator that is only suitable for home use. And also, the solar generator is easy to use and you can use it with one touch versus the traditional generator having a harder setup, resulting in high setup failure. So the solar generator is safe and reliable, and it has multiple ports for various devices, powering up to 8 devices at a time. So what do you get with this purchase? You get the Jackery Explorer 1000 Portable Power Station, one AC adapter, one car charger cable, one Solar Saga parallel adapter cable, and one user manual. Solar panels are sold separately but are frequently purchased with the Jackery 1000. So check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code, like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.